Is your iPhone's FaceTime volume too loud and making calls uncomfortable? This can happen due to certain settings or software glitches. But don't worry, it's super easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you simple steps to adjust the volume and make your FaceTime calls more comfortable. So let's get started. Solution 1. Adjust the volume during a call. During a FaceTime call, use the volume up and volume down buttons on the side of your iPhone. Press the volume down button to decrease the call volume to a comfortable level. Solution 2. Check and adjust audio settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Under Ringer and Alerts, use the slider to adjust the volume. This will also impact the FaceTime call volume when it rings. Solution 3. Disable phone noise cancellation. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Scroll down, tap on Audio/Visual. Toggle off phone noise cancellation. Scroll down, turn on mono audio. This might help in balancing the sound output during calls. Solution 4. Restart FaceTime. Restarting the app can help clear any temporary glitches. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the Home button to open the app switcher. Swipe up on the FaceTime app to close it. Reopen the FaceTime app and check the volume again during a call. Solution 5. Update iOS. Using an outdated version of iOS may cause software glitches. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to update your device. Solution 6. Reset all settings. If none of the above solutions work, you may want to reset your settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset all settings. Note, this won't delete your data, but you will need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords and adjust other settings. These steps should help you fix the loud volume problem during FaceTime calls on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more simple fixes, and I'll catch you in the next video.